Good morning, children. How are you all? So now here I am starting a new chapter in science, that is plant parts and functions. Everyone knows about the plants. Everyone have seen the plants in your house. While coming to school also you have seen. I think you have seen many varieties of plants in your surroundings, in the garden or in the school campus, at home also, near your houses also. I think everyone has seen these plants, isn't it? Almost the plants are almost everywhere. You will see the plants. Are all plants are similar? The shape is similar, or what are the similarities you find in the plants? Isn't it? What are the similarities you have find in the plants? You have seen, you know that plants have different parts. What are the parts of the plants? Here you see. You have seen some plants are bigger in size, some plants are smaller in size, some plants are very big, some plants you will get herbs, shrubs and the trees. Isn't it? You will see that the varieties of plants you will see in your surroundings, or when you are coming to school, or in near your houses, or at home also. Isn't it? Now, what are the parts of the plants? Almost all the parts have root, stem and leaves. These are the parts present in all the plants. In all the plants you will find that these are the parts. Isn't it? Have you seen any plant without flower? Have you seen any plant without leaves? Have you seen any plant without roots? Isn't it? This is a question for you. Or what are the common parts you will observe in the plant? What are the common parts you will observe in the plants? Almost all the plants will have the root, stem and leaves. These are the parts you will see in almost all the plants. See, the part which is underground, the part which is away from the sunlight, the part which you find in the earth is called root. It is called root. The part which is underground of the plant is called the root. Which is found under the ground is called the root, which grows away from the sunlight. The part of the plant which grows away from the sunlight, you will find it under the soil. It is called a root. The part which is grow above the earth is called as root. Sorry, stem. It is called as stem. What do you call it? It is a stem. Isn't it? The part of the plant which grows above the earth is called as a stem or shoot system, which grows towards the sunlight. Which grows towards the sunlight. It is called as a shoot system. Shoot of the plant. And the part of the plant which grows under the ground is called as a root system. It is called as root. So shoot system which grows towards the sunlight. Which grows towards the sunlight is called a shoot system. What are the parts present in the shoot system? These are the leaves. Leaves are present. These parts, leaves are present. Flower. This is a flower. And fruit. This part is a fruit part. Fruit. So these are the parts which you see in the plant. These are the parts usually you will see in the plants. So there are variations in the size and shape of plant, isn't it? But all the plants have root, stem and leaves. Almost all the plants have root, stem and leaves, isn't it? So these are the parts of a plant. These are the parts of a plant. What are the parts of a plant? The part of the plant which grows under the ground is called a root system, or which grows away from the sunlight is called a root system or called root. The part of the plant which grows above the earth or grows towards the sunlight is called a shoot system. What are the parts present in the shoot system? Stem, leaves, flower and fruit. So these are the parts usually you have seen. So you know the importance of leaf, stem and roots in plants. What are the important role of these parts of a plant? What are the important role? kidneys. These are the important organs in our body. In the same way, in plant also, root, stem, leaves, these are the important parts of a plant, isn't it? These are the important parts of a plant. So, what is the role of these parts? What is the role of these plant parts, isn't it? Root, stem and leaves. What is the role? What are the functions of these parts for plants? See here, now we'll know about the roots. We'll know about the root. Root. We know about the root, different types of roots. What are the types of roots? Different types of roots. Different types of roots, isn't it? We know about the different types of root. What are the types? There are two types of root system. There are two types of root system. That is taproot system, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot and fibrous root. There are two types of root systems, taproot and fibrous root. Now we know about the taproot system, how it will grow. See, in taproot system, you will see the main root is present in the taproot system. In the taproot, main root is present. This is the main root. Is present in the taproot system. Main root will be there in the taproot system. Main which goes straight into the soil, into the earth. Is called a taproot system. Is called a taproot system. So this is a taproot system. Main root is present. These are the secondary and tertiary roots are present. These are secondary and tertiary roots in taproot system. Understood? So, in which plant this taproot system is present, I will explain you. This taproot system is usually present in dicot plants. This taproot system is present in dicot plants. Present in dicot plants. Present in dicot plants. Beans is a dicot plant. Mango is a dicot plant. Two cotyledons are present. It's called dicot plant. So taproot system is present in dicot plant, and you cannot easily take it out from the earth. It is difficult to take it out from the earth. It goes straight into the earth, deep into the earth, isn't it? It's called a taproot system. Main root system is present. Main root is present in the taproot system. It is present in dicot plants. It is present in dicot plants. Okay? So next coming to fibrous root system. In which plants you find the fibrous root system, and what is fibrous root system? It looks like a brush. All the roots arise from the base of the stem only. The roots arise from the base of the stem. It spreads on the surface of the soil. There is no main root in the fibrous root system. There is no main root in the fibrous root system. The roots spread on the surface of the soil and easily you can pull it out. Isn't it? It's called fibrous root system. Main root is absent in fibrous root system. Where in which plants it is present? It is present in monocot plants. Monocotyledon. Monocot plants it is present. That is all grass family have fibrous root system. Grass family have fibrous root system. Rice, maize, jawar, bajra, millets. These plants have fibrous root system. Corn, isn't it? So these are the types of the root system, isn't it? So in some plant the main root becomes thick and has very thin roots. Main root becomes thick, isn't it? It grows straight into the soil. It is called the what do you call it? Taproot system. It is called a taproot. These are called the lateral roots. The roots which arise from the sides of the main root is called lateral roots. These are called lateral roots, isn't it? So here and there is no main root in the fibrous root system. There is no main root in fibrous root. Isn't it? There is no main root. Isn't it? There is no main root here. Like taproot. Taproot have main root. These side roots you are saying, these are called lateral roots. Isn't it? And in monocot the root is spread on the surface of the soil. Isn't it? These are, you will find it in the monocot plants. And taproot system you will find in the dicot plant. So these are the parts of the plant. Now in next class you will study each and every part functions. Isn't it? So these are the parts. What are the parts of the plant? You are seeing this plant. You will not get all the plants are similar. No. Some are big, some are small. Isn't it? Herbs, shrubs and trees you will find. But almost all plants have root, stem and leaves. Understood? So the part of the plant which grows in the earth is called root system. It is called a root, and the part of the plant which grows above the earth is called shoot system. It is called as shoot system. Shoot system consists of stem, leaves, flower, fruit. This is a fruit. You are seeing these are the fruits, isn't it? So in science, it is not called as a vegetable. It is called as a fruit only. Isn't it? Vegetable is called as a fruit only in science. Scientifically, it is called fruit only. These are the fruits you are seeing here, and you are seeing the flower. You are seeing leaves, stem, root. These are the parts of the plants we have seen. So here I explained you about the types of root system. What are the types of roots? Taproot system and fibrous root system. There are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot have main root which grows straight into the soil, in the earth. Goes straight into the earth and it has a main thick root. And side roots are there. These are called the lateral roots. These are called lateral roots. These are present in the taproot is present in dicot plants. Monocot and fibrous root, the roots is spread on the surface of the earth, and this will grow at the base of the stem only. From the base of the stem only, the roots will be grows and spread on the surface of the earth. A thin hair-like structures you will see in the fibrous root. There is no main root in fibrous root system. There is no main root in fibrous root. Okay? Understood, children? Thank you. Have a nice day.